to my succulent plants garden. Thank you, guys like it my video and subscribe me. Thank you so much. My succulent garden is look better now. See that? I trying to organize the plants on the table first, because the nice one almost done. See, almost done, but I'm scared them get some ants. You know, the ants, they very like it, the plants. That's why I don't want my plants have the ants. Don't let the ants come over to eat them. Oh no, I just said don't let the ants climbing up to my plants. But see that? They have, oh my god, that's why I don't like it, the flower just like that. Take them out. The ants, they really like it, the flowers. And after take out the flowers here, the plant will look more nice. The plant was from last year, from the baby, when I planting them, very baby. Now they go up and very good. Look at it. That one really easy to plant them. And see them, pretty. Dun dun dun. That Lucina. The blue eel was very baby. Now it go out. Look at my big opalina. See that? The opalina, you know why it's like that big? Because was the baby, when I take it in, I'm not put that much stone. I put more soft soil, let it go up. That's why they're bigger. And they're bigger, but no colors, yeah? All green. If you put more stone, see, that will put the leaves soon and color come out fast. The couple thing is plant same time. Just that one, only one I put more soft soil, that's why. And the good thing for it is very so many baby under. Look at it. Oh my god. Baby. A lot. See? I think around the baby. Surround the mommy. Okay. Later on I will cut down the leaves. I'm not sure take them off or no, because that leaf is so long. Not the easy way. Maybe I just cut them down and let the baby get the sunrise go up. And exactly today I want to tell you guys how to do the plants is let the a lot of plant is get a lot baby, so many. Some is carpeting, some is a lot. See that? First is some galvanized. Look at that. That one I was cut the list already. And look at that one. Was on the floor before I show you guys. That one I said I need to change the flower pot, right? But I'm so busy I didn't change it yet. But no, oh no, cannot. Not just baby come out. The flowers come out from here. And that means, oh no. Have the ants come over also. They will break the baby. No, cannot wait now. I need to do after I'm finished the video. I need to replant it and cut it. Okay. And see that? There's so many baby also. That one. See? So many. And the color so pretty. And one more thing is the big one. That is my first plant. It is the very big and so many baby and nice. Hey, over here, come over. Dun-dun. He is my first galvanized. Look at it. If you guys saw my the video, you guys will remember it. It is the have 3 baby first, but now it have a lot. See that? And I trying to use the plastic and hold the lid up a little bit. Let the baby get some sunrise. But after I check out the 3 big one baby cover the small one, that's why I cut them off. Let's see how thick it out. The baby so much. Close it. Let me see how thick it out. Really close, really hot. Okay, I see the stem. You can see my inside. Can see? Okay. Here. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Got another plant. The baby, very good. You can see it. Again. Wow, not bad. I got another 2 pens. They have the with the end dry up. Tomorrow clean. Yeah, look at the baby. See? Ugly. Now they have more room. They will go up more. Go up with it. Okay, now take it out. The list. Enjoy it. That one I'm very long time not take care. Not take care. Just let it go. I just change the flower pot only. Wow, more baby inside. Look at it. How about that one? That one cut it out off. Yeah, see? More baby inside. Yeah. See? A lot. Oh my god, see? Oh my god. Yeah. You have to do like that, let the baby go out. And here, have a lot also. Now they have more room. Wow, very happy. Wow. See it? Oh. Thank you, thank you. Okay. They were around same thing. That tree is was last year until now they go up. Now it's the second time baby come out. Good, good, good. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Then now I get another trees, plants, and one big head with a lot of baby. See it? So many. Right? Very, very happy. That is the big mother. Very, very big. Okay. See? The baby is healthy and well pretty. And one is the more giant mommy. You know who is it? Come over here. Another one is the lotus. See? So many baby. Oh my god. Two labor. See? Later on I need to change the flower, but not right now. Okay. Lotus is the, lotus and agarus. That is the very nice succulent plants, right? They will can grow the summer and the winter, wherever how you plant it, they will take it easy to plant and easy to take care of them. Not easy get die, and easy get baby and color also. See, look at that, the red chip, that one, the light. That one is very, very pretty. Very, very happy. My plants got me a surprise. So many plants be a mother, and they're healthy and very, very good. I know when you saw somebody have a very beautiful and very big succulent groups, you will jealous. Me too. But no worries. As long as you give them time, in every spring you do it like that, you can also get the succulent whatever you want it. Hello, baby. Very, very happy. So many, baby. Oh my God, so pretty. I love it. Ooh. And once I did one more thing. That is the core. You know what is it? Haha. So funny, that one. That one was in my house. After they first go up, skinning and long, that the main head. See? That the blue L. I cut that. After I'm cut it, see? So many baby come out. And were here either under. I was when I cut the main one, I just thinking they will have some baby or the top from the lid and lid between. But I didn't know. Oh my God, the under over here, so many baby either. See that? Very, very small. I cut them, I think just three weeks only. That one. That's why. That means it whatever what way you want it, to do them in the summer. No, not in summer. Sorry, wrong. In the spring. Okay. In the spring, whatever you want to do, they will healthy and easy. Okay. That's why. You go. Later on, I will show you guys my pretty flower. That one I just planted, not too pretty yet. That's why. Thank you guys. Today the video just like that. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful day and happy planting. See you next video. Bye.